How to zip a file on Mac. First of all, you'll need to locate the file you're wanting to zip, or files. You can do multiple of them. You can also do it within a folder too. There's a few different ways, but you can click within your folder, find the exact file, or if it's on your desktop, you can go ahead and right click on it on the desktop or within the folder. Wherever you find the file, you'll right click on it like so, and there you should be able to see compress. You can also do that by clicking file and then compress there. Either which way, right click on the file, then click compress. There you will see a zip file pops up either in the folder or on your desktop if you're doing it there. There you'll be able to copy it or share it via AirDrop. You can do your notes, you can do email, a few different options in there. Once you have that file, you can do what you want with it. Then on the receiver's end, they'll be able to double click on it, then they'll be able to open up the file there. As you can see, they'll be able to get that file, open it, share it with other people, do whatever they want to do once they get that zip file. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.